What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so before we get started in the video, I just want to talk about what happened back here real quick before I show you what I'm about to do. So let's go take a look real fast. Alright guys, so as you can see, I had a lot of areas of my grass that died. So I'm going to talk about that today. If you guys remember, I used to have a sprinkler system that I set up temporarily with water hose that would go to this right here. You would just stab it in the dirt or whatever, hook up your hose right here and turn them on. I did that when I first started planting this whole area with grass and all that, and it worked perfectly fine. But I was gone for maybe about 3 or 4 days, and in the meanwhile, this whole 4 days it was pretty hot. I think it was in the mid 90s to high 90s. And what ended up happening, I had a water hose that was over here. It was kinked up, and because of that, the grass on this side was not getting watered. Over here was still pretty good for the most part, but this side mainly did not get watered. So because of the high temperatures, I'm not sure if you realize, but most of the areas that died were the were the newly seeded areas. So because it wasn't very well established into the lawn, those are probably the areas that died first. You know, not the whole area died, but mainly the newly seeded ones. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some more seed down and do all that, but I wanted to make sure I'm gonna have a better sprinkler system, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. So as you can see, it's a lot neater than before. I mean, if this doesn't really bother me. I mean, before I had a bunch of water hoses here, so it's a lot neater to me. But yeah guys, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you how I did this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you real quick what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so before I had a water hose hooked up to this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up a PVC pipe instead to make it a little bit neater, because it was just water hose everywhere here, and I just want to clean it up a little better. So what I'm going to be doing, kind of show you real quick. I'm going to hook up this adapter right here. So it has a hose in right here, and then right here I can glue a PVC pipe to this end. So basically I'm going to screw this right here, and then I'm going to start gluing PVC pipe from here down there to here, and then go under, and then I'm going to tee off. So I'm going to have one sprinkler head, probably roughly where that one's at anyways, and I'm going to have the other sprinkler head on that side. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is digging out your trench right here. Mine's probably going to be, I don't know, maybe about 20 feet or so long. I'm going to dig at least 8 inches or so. So let me get that going, and then after that we'll do a dry fitting, set up everything, make sure I like the way it looks. And once you get that set up, I'm going to glue everything together. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I finally completed this. This took a little longer than expected because I only had a shovel with me, so it took a little bit longer to clean out the inside. And not only that, I actually went to the store in between. I completely forgot to turn this timer off, and it went off on me. So this whole ditch right here got filled with water. So I had to wait till it kind of dried up a little bit, emptied it out. So this is actually the following day that I'm doing this. So now that it's all dried up and I emptied all the water out, now it's time to glue all the pieces together. So let's get started. Alright guys, so before I actually glue everything together, I'm just going to dry fit everything, make sure I like the way it's set up, and then after that I'll glue everything together. Okay, so first I'm going to attach this piece right here. There's a water hose adapter. Then I'm going to attach this, it's a 45-degree angle PVC. So that's going to go here. And I'm going to attach this PVC pipe down here. Okay. And from here, I don't know if you can see, hold on, yeah, we can see. I'm going to attach the the elbow, sorry. Attach down here. There we go. Next, we're going to attach PVC going this way. I'll rearrange the camera real quick so we can see that. Okay, so we're going down this way. Next, we're going to attach right here. Just like that. It's a little long, so I'm going to cut it so it ends up right here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it real quick and then reattach it. Alright guys, we're going to recut this. So I'm going to attach it right here. There. And then right here. I'll make sure you guys can see. Hold on. Back it up just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And then from here I'm going to attach this PVC going down along with the T. So it's going to go through one sprinkler head that way and then the other sprinkler on this side. So it's going to be attached down here. Okay, and then from here we're going to attach PVC. So that one over here. Attach a coupler to right here, and then cut and glue, and then we should be good to go. Let me show you guys a little bit closer look. Okay, so we got the hose adapter going down with the 45. Down here is an elbow, leads down here. I got a T right here, so I'm gonna cut this PVC right here, attach it, cut that side and attach it. Then we got the PVC pipe right along here. So right there I'm gonna have one sprinkler head over here and the other sprinkler head right over here. Alright guys, let's start cutting and gluing. All set for today. Alright guys, so I'm all done cutting and gluing all the pieces together. Next thing I'm going to be attaching is the sprinkler heads, but before that I'm going to turn the water on, make sure everything's cleared out of there just in case any dirt or debris got in the water, in the PVC pipes. I'm going to flush it out, attach the sprinkler heads, and then we'll be good to go. Alright guys, so I got my sprinkler heads in already on both sides. I think I kind of messed up just a little right here. Show you guys. I think I cut this one a little too short. See how it still has this gap, so I'm not sure if you can tell, but it kind of leans down a little bit. So it's not a huge deal for me personally, but I do wish the sprinkler head was probably a little bit more flush to the cement, but honestly it's a lot better than this. I used to have this sticking out the ground. So I think we should be good. Alright, let's turn them on, see how they work. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on and see if we need to adjust the sprinklers or anything. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, let's find out. Okay, there we go. side's going. So far so good. Just got just this a little bit because it's starting to wet the patio. Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and tune them up real quick and I think we should be good. Alrighty guys, so turn the water on, fix the sprinklers, all set. So far it's getting all the area pretty good. So I don't see really any dry spots. I let it run for like 2-3 minutes, and so far it's hitting everything that needs to be hit, I guess you can say. But yeah guys, here it is, all done, complete. I mean, like I said, I just wish I can dig that under. I mean, I guess technically I really wanted to like go under the cement, dig a hole and all that, but for me personally, this is not gonna bother me. I mean, before I had all of this there. So this is way neater than that. And it's working pretty good so far. Next thing you know, I'm just gonna clean this up, throw some more seed down, cover it up, and now I got these sprinklers going, ready to go. I don't gotta worry about no more hoses getting kinked up. So I think I should be good back here, guys. Next is just cleaning up, and I'll be done for the day. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.